Welcome to our tutorial on how to find a moment's URL on Twitter using your PC. To begin, locate the moment you're interested in and click on the menu icon located at the top right corner of the moment. Next, within the menu options, choose Copy Link to this. This will generate the specific URL for that moment, which will be automatically copied to your clipboard. By following these two simple steps, you can easily retrieve the URL of any moment on Twitter. This allows you to share the moment with others, save it for later viewing, or access it whenever you like. Learning how to find and copy a moment's URL on Twitter enhances your social media experience, enabling you to effortlessly share interesting moments with your followers and friends. Having the ability to quickly access and share moment URLs on Twitter empowers you to engage with trending topics, showcase captivating stories, and stay connected with your online community. Begin exploring, sharing, and engaging with moments on Twitter to enrich your social media journey and connect with your audience in a more meaningful way.